With it being a new year, we've got some new trailers here to show off to you today. We are going to be showing you the Gulfstream Trailmaster. This one is the 274 QB floor plan. It is a great trailer if you've got kids, grandkids, or extra guests that you want to entertain and be able to sleep and accommodate here in a trailer. But let's show you some of the outdoor features and then we'll go into the inside. One of the most notable things to start off with is this rear outdoor kitchen. You've got a nice Flame King griddle top that slides in and out for easy access. You've got a small Everchill fridge and a nice easy to access sink here as well. You'll notice that there is an outdoor awning with powered LED lights. It's not a beautiful day today, but when you have a beautiful day when you are RVing, you've got an outdoor kitchen and an outdoor area to be entertained. Looking in here, you will notice you have a pass-through storage area, goes all the way to the other side, and is separated from your under bed storage area, which is nice when you have a kind of outdoor belongings, camp chairs, little spike ball games or equipment. It keeps all the sand, dirt, and grit away from your indoor belongings. And all of these latches on the outside will have this nice updated mag latch system, which makes it nice and convenient to open up. Walking to the front, you will notice that there is two 20-pound propane tanks. They are covered, and you're going to have a powered front tongue jack with 4 manual stabilizers around the rest of the unit. Flipping open this side, it is self-explanatory, but it's the other side of that pass-through storage area. Doesn't mean you have to crawl all the way through to grab at things. You can access it from either side. With the 274 QB, we do have a single slide out. This is going to be the kind of dinette and lounging seat on the inside, which we will get to. You will notice there is nice tinted windows, which looks not only aesthetic, but is great for keeping the warm air trapped on a colder day like today, or the cool air trapped in there on a hot day. There is not a backup camera installed in this at the moment, but it is easy to access, as well as it is set up and ready for solar charge if you decide to go that route. Now stepping onto the inside of the unit, this is where it really shows itself off. This floor plan is very versatile and it allows for lots of entertainment on the inside, but almost everything is convertible to sleeping, so you can have extra spots to sleep kids, grandkids, or just extra kind of members of the family. Starting off in the kitchen, you've got a nice double sink here. You've got a high-rise faucet with this hose attachment. And you do get plenty of more counter space as they give you this nice insert here for the sink as well. Almost makes it nice and seamless. You've got extra room to work. If you're going to be thinking about cooking lots of food in here, you've got a 3-burner stovetop to addition to your outdoor griddle top. You've got a oven and a nice traditional microwave. There is a decent amount of storage. You've obviously got your above head storage, nice open boxy for you to fit lots of pots and pans, and just lots of little small drawers here and there for cutlery, utensils, any other materials you might need to cook. You will notice that there is a gas electric fridge freezer combo with this unit. And let's turn around here to some of these sleeping areas. So first of all, you've got a nice dinette here, easily can fit your 4 people. You can slide a chair up to the end here. You can have a nice little breakfast, dinner, lunch, anything you need. When the food has come and gone, that table's going to drop down. These 2 cushions come off. That's going to be another area to sleep someone if you need to. Furthermore, you have a nice lounge seat here as well. Easy to entertain. If you're only a couple and you still like this trailer, you still got room just to treat this as a living room. But if you have kids along, grandkids, that's going to slide out. You've got a second area to sleep extra bodies. Stepping in here to the master bedroom, this is obviously the bed itself. It's not going to convert to anything else other than a little bit of extra storage underneath. On either side, you both have your 5-volt USB as well as 110-volt outlets. Same on either side, and same storage on either side. You get nice, easy to access above storage here as well. You've got windows on either side as well as entrances. So both sides are nice and identical. There'll be no fighting over what side of the bed someone wants. This is where you could set up a TV if you wanted. They've got access here for your cable, plugins, and then this is the backer where you could screw into. They've got a little bit of an entertainment console here. You could keep some DVDs, some small board games, but it's nice and stowed away in this thinner storage compartment. Now, if we are walking to the back here, this is where I said you're going to get extra versatility because you have a full room back here with lots of options. First of all, you're going to notice that you've got this bunk set up. So you've got a bunk right here, another bunk on top. This will be kind of a third extra bunk if you need it, but it does easily slide up and lock into that position there, where you could fold this up and away and have this as a little entertainment area. You've got a couch down here for the kids, grandkids, extra people of the family. You can kind of play some games back here. You've got plenty of storage, but if you do need to sleep more than the 1, 2, 3 they give you as standard, this will also flip out into yet another sleeping area. That means you've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 beds to fit all the people you need to entertain. Obviously, all those people have a place to sit, they've got a place to eat, and with this particular floor plan, you do have a washroom as well. Got nice matte black fixtures here, nice kind of built-in shelves into the wall for some of your belongings, and a sink with a medicine cabinet. If you are looking for a brand new 2025 trailer at a great price and gives you lots of versatility, whether you just want to have people over and entertain or want to have someone stay the night, this 274 QB could definitely be for you. If you want to see everything it has to offer in person, come on down to Long Haul Trailers in Listowel.